Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to finish Unit 7 with a reading. Okay? We are going to work with your student book, pages 90-91. What do you have to do? Number 1, listen to the story. Number 2, in each slide, stop the video and repeat out loud. 3. When you finish the repetition, read the story out loud by yourself. Okay? Let's begin then.
The Iceman. The true story of a superhuman. Wim Hof of the Netherlands is a man with an incredible talent. He can tolerate freezing temperatures that would kill a normal person.
Next.
Here are some amazing examples. Hof spent more than an hour up to his neck in ice. He ran a half marathon in the Arctic Circle, in the winter, in his bare feet, and wearing only shorts. The temperature was minus 30 degrees Celsius. He swam under the ice on a lake for over 50 meters, wearing just a swimsuit and goggles. He climbed the highest mountain in Europe in shorts.
Number 4.
Hof holds 9 world records, including the longest ice immersion, the fastest barefoot half marathon, and the longest swim under ice. His nickname is the Iceman. Scientists are surprised by Hof's ability to tolerate extremely cold temperatures. When a normal person is exposed to severe cold, a dangerous condition called hypothermia develops. At first, your pulse and breathing become faster. But later, as your body temperature drops, your pulse and breathing decrease. Muscles become difficult to control, and the brain starts to slow. Eventually, major organs begin to fail. When scientists tested Hof in a laboratory, they discovered that he does not have a normal response to low temperatures. Most people feel intense pain in conditions of extreme cold. Their breathing and pulse get very quick, and they panic. But when Hof enters a tank of extremely cold water, he remains calm. He controls his heart rate and breathing, and his body temperature stays the same.
Now is the second part, okay? Second part. Here we are.
So, how does Hof do it? Is his body different in some way? Is his skin thicker than normal? Are his heart and other organs stronger than yours? So far, scientists have not found any physical or genetic explanation for Hof's superhuman ability. His body is perfectly normal, although his adventures are considered scientifically impossible. The difference, Hof believes, is that he is able to control his mind. Many years ago, Hof began to study an ancient meditation technique called Tummo, usually practiced by Tibetan monks. To learn Tummo, The monks sit outside in freezing temperatures, covered in wet sheets. Through meditation, they are able to generate heat and raise their body temperature. As a result, the sheets dry, and even the ice around them melts. Hof is one of the first people outside Tibet to master Tummo meditation. Hof is determined to break more world records. For his next challenge, he wants to climb Mount Everest, the highest mountain in the world, wearing only shorts. But many people have criticized his plans, saying they are too dangerous. Over 200 climbers have died while attempting to reach the top of Everest, and around 150 bodies remain in the ice near the summit. Hof has already tried the climb once, in 2007, although he did not reach the top because he hurt his foot. Hof's amazing abilities seem superhuman, but scientists believe we all have the same potential. The hard part is learning how to use it.
Okay, this reading is very interesting for me. What about you? And now that we have finished, say this rhyme as fast as possible. Ba, ba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, ba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, ba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Ba, 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 ba. Okay, let's go. Good job. Very good. Bye-bye. See you in the next video. Hugs and kisses. Bye-bye. See you.